In this video clip, we learn about bend modifier. As the name show, by using this modifier, you can bend a selected object. I model a kitchen tap here and I want to bend this into U shape. So first we have to apply bend modifier. So I click on the modifier list and then select bend modifier. In the parameter section, first you have to increase the angle. You can type 90 degree, 180 degree as you want. After applying angle value, you have to select correct bend axis. In my case, correct axis is Y, so I select this. And then we have to modify the bend direction also, because you can see this lever insert into the pipe. So we have to change the direction also. So I type 90 degree. So it will rotate into another direction. In case if you want to increase the angle little bit more, you can increase. I increase up to 120 or 130. After changing angle, direction and axis, we have to apply limit effect also. I want to start this bend from this area. So first we have to enable the limit effect by clicking on this checkbox, and here you can see. To fix this type problem, first you have to increase upper limit or lower limit. You have to check. If you increase upper limit, you can see this limit plane moving outside, and I increase little bit more. Same as we have to change the lower limit also, but there is a problem. If you increase or decrease this value, nothing will change because this limit plane start from the gizmo position. So you have to change the gizmo position first. And you can change this gizmo position by using pivot, or you can expand this bend modifier also and select gizmo from here and then move upside. So with this option you can also set lower limit, and our bend modifier is perfectly applied. In case if you want to increase angle little bit, you can also increase. In case if you want to create a animation with the help of bend modifier, you can also do. For creating animation, first I enable auto keyframe and then click on the plus icon. First we have to decrease the angle. Then I move this slider little bit and then increase angle. Same as I create other keyframe also. Now you can see. You can create a animation with a very easy way. So it's all about bend modifier. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Now we meet in the next class.